So we are here with our PTZ camera setup. We're going to show you how it works. These are the two PTZ cameras. As you can see, this is the connection for the video signal, which goes into the workstation. Goes in here. This is for camera 1 and this is for camera 2. So that's the cable for the green cable is the one that sends the video signal to be streamed afterwards, as you can see here. This is actually the live streaming from the playout, and the video signal from the two cameras is here. So for example, if we switch from master to camera 1, as you can see, we're now streaming with camera 1, and if we switch to camera 2, we're now streaming with camera 2. Then, so these are all the connections of the PTZ camera. As you can see, there's an HDMI connection, USB as well, and we're using the LAN switch, the LAN connection, networks connection, to control and to send power to the PTZ camera. So this acts as a power supply as well. And this is the network switch. So the cameras are connected in PoE, power over Ethernet. Okay, and then the cameras are controlled via a camera controller. With this joystick, you can actually move them. Tilt, pan, and zoom. That's what they do. Okay. And you can also switch. So now we're controlling camera 2. As you can see, camera 2 is live. And as I said, we can also zoom in and out. So if we switch to camera 1 and then bring camera 1 on the live stream, now we're controlling this camera. Likewise, we can zoom in and out, like so. Okay, so this is pretty much it. You control the cameras via the controller. The power comes in from the network cable, which comes out of the network switch. The video signal goes out from here with this cable and connects to the workstation for you to be able to then manage it with the playout software. This is the TV playout, as you can see. The Workstation is quite a powerful one, and it's designed precisely for this type of operations. So it's an appropriate workstation for managing video signals and doing this type of live stream. The live stream, of course, you can send out via a video encoder, for example. So if we change to master again, you will see the stream that was programmed in the playout. So you can easily switch between that, what you have programmed in the playout, or camera 1 and camera 2. Okay, so this is how a PTZ camera setup works. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. So give us a like and subscribe if that's the case, and we'll see you in the next video.